ma'am. We are now here to present our final output in your subject. So, the title of our output is Mathematical Analysis of Crime Patterns, Predicting Burglary Hotspots in Urban Areas. Me and my group mates decided to investigate this because we believe that by doing so, we can help prevent crime, allocate resources effectively, improve urban planning, enhance community safety, and address root causes of criminal behavior for long-term solutions. For further description, we have Mr. Jason Samuel to discuss introduction and background, rationale, and related literature. We have John Lester A. Ferrer to discuss statement of the problem, conjectures, and problem. We have Marvick R. Cabrisa to discuss results and proof. And I will discuss extension.
Introduction and background. This investigation presents the rationale and related literatures. Rationale. This investigation highlights the critical role of mathematical modeling in understanding and addressing crime by analyzing spatial and temporal patterns of burglaries. This approach aids identifying high-risk areas, optimizing resources allocation, and developing proactive strategies from crime prevention. The integration of machine learning, geographic information system (GIS), and the mathematical models has enhanced the ability to predict burglary hotspots with remarkable accuracy. It will also enable law enforcement agency to focus high priority zone, minimizing the risk of burglary while maximizing the efficiency of preventing measures. They also provide valuable insight to underlying social environmental factors contributing to criminal behavior, fostering informed urban planning and policy making. Related literature. Predicting burglary in urban areas aligns with a growing body of research that employs mathematical and statistical models to understand and predict crime distribution in urban settings. One notable approach involves the use of mathematical modeling to predict burglaries pattern. For instance, a study published in Psych.org 2015 discusses how mathematical tools can be utilized to study systems and predict their patterns, especially in the context of burglary patterns. Another significant contribution is the development of models that analyze crime patterns on street networks. Research published in Crime Science 2016 presents a mathematical model of crime explicitly situated on a street network, highlighting the importance of considering the urban infrastructure in crime pattern analysis. Additionally, studies have examined the environmental predictors that classify street robbery hotspot. A study conducted by Kim 2013 investigated the environmental predictors that classify street robbery hotspot and control street segment in Indianapolis, providing insight into the factors contributing to crime concentration. Furthermore, the application of Bayesian analysis has been explored in the context of urban thief crime. According to Sheehan 2019, they have been utilizing a Bayesian model to conduct fitting analysis to thief crime data from 674 cities in China, demonstrating the applicability of Bayesian method in understanding urban crimes patterns.
Statement of the problem. The investigation aims to conduct a mathematical analysis of crime patterns to predict burglary hotspots in urban areas and to provide a predictive framework for law enforcement and urban planners to mitigate burglary risks effectively. The investigation will address the following key questions and present conjecture to guide the research. Number one, what are the special and temporal trends of burglary incidents in urban areas? Number two, which mathematical models are most effective in predicting burglary hotspots? Number three, what socio-economic environmental factors contribute to the prevalence of burglary hotspots? Conjecture problems. Number one, burglary, burglary incidents in urban areas exhibit a distinct spatial clustering influenced by socioeconomic disparities and environmental conditions. Number two, machine learning and statistical models can effectively predict future burglary hotspots by analyzing historical crime data and urban dynamics. Number three, environmental features such as poor lighting, proximity to major roads, and lack of surveillance significantly contribute to emerge by burglary hotspots.
The result is Bulgari incidents are randomly distributed but show clear spatial and temporal patterns. High crime areas often referred to as sunspots tend to cluster in regions with socio-economic vulnerabilities and environmental characteristics such as inadequate lighting, poor maintained infrastructure, and high urban density. Number 2. Advanced mechanical techniques including machine learning, algorithms, and spatial statistical method demonstrated a high free or accuracy in identifying predicting Bulgarian hotspots. This model effect utilize historical crime data, demographic information, and urban layout to forecast potential high-risk zone. Number 3. Socioeconomic variables such as income, inequality, unemployment rates, and population density emerge as a significant contribute to Bulgarian hotspot. Environmental factors including proximity to major roads, lack of surveillances, and neglected urban spaces further amplified the risk. The investigation affirmed that Bulgaria hotspots in urban areas are driven by a combination of socio-economic, environmental, and temporal factors. Mathematical and predictive models offer a robust framework for identifying these hotspots, enabling targeting intervention law enforcement and urban planners to reduce crime and improve community safety. In our proof, we have the validity of the result represent in the investigation can be justified through the following proof. Number 1. Spatial clustering of crime pattern. Crime data constantly exhibit spatial clustering rather than random distribution. By using statistical tests such as Moran's I and Ripley's K function, it was demonstrated the Bulgari incidents concentrate in specific urban areas. This cluster often align with socio-economic vulnerabilities and environmental features like poorly lit areas or neighborhoods with high resident mobility, confirming the spatial trends identified. Number 2 in our group, predictive accuracy of mathematical models. Machine learning models like logistic, regression, random forest, and spatial temporal modeling. Methods were validated using historic data. Cross-validation techniques show prediction acquires exceeding 85%, confirming that this model can reliably forecast Bulgaria hotspots. The success of this model is rooted in their ability to integrate diverse datasets such as crime history, socioeconomic metrics, and geographic information system or GIS. Influence of socioeconomics and environmental factors. Studies in criminology and urban sociology have constantly linked Bulgarian rates to socioeconomic conditions such as power and unemployment. Environmental criminology theories like the routine activity theory also confirm that the features such as poor lighting, proximity to major roads, and lack of surveillance provide opportunity for crimes. These findings, supported by empirical data from multiple cities, to validate the influence of these factors on hotspot formation as identified in the research. The results are supported by statistical validation, the robustness of prediction or predictive models, and the alignment with establishment criminology theories. Together, this proof affirm that the conclusions drawn in the study are not reliable and grounded in empirical evidence.
Extension. Building on the findings of the investigation, the following areas are recommended for future research to deepen understanding and expand applications. Number 1. Integration of real-time data for dynamic hotspot prediction. Future research could explore the use of real-time data, such as live surveillance feeds and social media reports, to develop dynamic models capable of updating hotspots predictions for law enforcement agencies. Number 2. Analysis of preventive measures and their effectiveness. A new study could examine how interventions such as improved lighting, increased police patrols, and community watch programs impact the persistence and dissipation of Bulgari hotspots. This would allow researchers to evaluate the effectiveness of various strategies in reducing crime rates. Number 3. Broader applicability to other crime types. Future studies could extend the mathematical framework used for Bulgari to analyze and predict other types of crimes, such as violent crimes or cyber crimes. This would provide a more comprehensive understanding of urban crime patterns and the interconnections between different crime categories. By addressing these areas, future researchers can build on the foundation of the study, contributing to more advanced, adaptive, and multi-faceted crime prevention categories.